Hello, hello, welcome to K2P classes. Today topic is quadratic equation. This class objective is to know standard form of a quadratic equation, solution of the quadratic equation by different methods, relationship between discriminant and nature of roots, and some practical problems. What is a quadratic equation? An equation of format ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not 0, is called quadratic equation. Example, 2x square plus 14x minus 1 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Here a equal to 2, which is coefficient of x square, 14 equal to b, which is coefficient of x, and minus 1 is the constant, that is c. We can take few more examples. X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, and c equal to 6. X square minus 25 equal to 0. We can see there is no x in this quadratic equation. So b is 0, a is 1, and c equal to minus 25. 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Here we see that there is no coefficient of x square, means a is 0. A 0 means this is not a quadratic equation at all. This is a linear equation. What do you mean by roots of a quadratic equation? Roots of a quadratic equation are values of the variable which satisfy the quadratic equation. In other words, it is nothing but solution of the quadratic equation. For example, x square minus 25 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation having b 0. Now, the solution of this quadratic equation is plus minus 5. So, root of this quadratic equation is plus and minus 5. For any quadratic equation, there may be two roots, one roots, or there may not be any real roots at all. There cannot be more than two roots for a quadratic equation. Now, here we will learn how to find out roots of a quadratic equation by a graph. Suppose a quadratic equation is given 2x square minus 4. So, plot a graph. Let y equal to 2x square minus 4. And for different value of y, for different value of x, we find y. And we draw the graph. Like x equal to 2, then y will be 4. And the graph point on the graph paper is here. If we take x equal to 1, y will be minus 2. And the position of this point is here. Similarly, we can plot the graph. After plotting the graph, we see that this curve cuts x-axis at these 2 points, here and here, and we can see the answer should be somewhere 1.4, something like that by estimations. If we solve this quadratic equation, 2x square minus 4 equal to 0, that is x square equal to 2 and x equal to plus minus root 2. So, x equal to plus minus 1.4. So, this is called graphical method of solving a quadratic equation. Let us take another example. This time take y equal to minus 2x square plus 4x plus 5. We just make the graph here. This time the parabola is downward. So it cuts the x-axis at these 2 points. So these two x where the curve is cutting x-axis is equation of the quadratic equation. Now there are situations when the graph will not cut x-axis. At that point there will be no solution for the quadratic equation. There will be a situation where the curve will just touch x-axis, not cut x-axis. At that point, for this given situation, there will be only one solution for the quadratic equation. Now, we are finding roots of a quadratic equation by factorization. Case 1, when b is 0 and c is not 0. That means there will be no term containing x. This is very easy method, easy situation. 2x square minus 32 equal to 0. Just take common to x square minus 16 equal to 0. So either 2 will be 0 or x square minus 16 will be 0. 2 cannot be 0. So x square minus 16 equal to 0. So x square equal to 16, x equal to root 16. So x equal to plus minus 4. Case 2, when there is no constant term, then it is very easy. Just take common x, and if there is anything common between a and b. So here either x is 0 or x minus 16 is 0. So x equal to 0 or x equal to 16. Third case is there, when b is not equal to 0 and c is not equal to 0. That is x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So in this case, multiply a, which is coefficient of x square, and the constant, that is 6. After multiplying it, whatever comes, factorize it and do the permutation and combination of the factors in such a way that it will give you b. Like here in this case, 6 factorization of 6 will be 2 and 3, and 2 and 3 can be arranged to get minus 5. How? It is minus 2x minus 3x. From this first part we can take x as common, so x minus 2. From last two terms we can take minus 3 as a common, so it will be x minus 2 equal to 0. So x minus 2, if we take common, it becomes x minus 3 equal to 0. So either x minus 2 is 0 or x minus 3 is 0. So either x equal to 2 or x equal to 3. That is the solution of this quadratic equation. Finding roots of a quadratic equation by completing the square. If b is the real number and a square equal to b, then a equal to plus minus root b. Example, x square equal to 49. So x equal to plus minus 7. 2x square equal to 4. So x equal to plus minus root 2. Y minus 3 whole square equal to 4. So y minus 3 equal to plus minus 2. So y equal to 3 plus minus 2. So y equal to either 5 or 1. Let us consider one quadratic equation, x square plus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Now, we can write x square plus 6x equal to minus 8. Then, the 6x, the coefficient of x, here multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So after dividing, this term become 3. So just add 3 whole square both side of the equal to sign, because either you add or subtract something both side of the equal to, it doesn't change the equation. So here you see x square plus 2 plus a into b plus b square. This is a plus b whole square actually. So the left hand term becomes x plus 3 whole square equal to 1. And this side become minus 8 plus 9, that is 1. So x plus 3 equal to plus minus 1. Bring x to right hand side of equal to, so minus 3 plus minus 1. So x equal to minus 2 or minus 4. Now, finding roots of a quadratic equation by formula. A quadratic equation written in a standard form x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has the solution x equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. So there are two roots of a quadratic equation. One is called alpha, one is called beta. So alpha is minus b plus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a, and beta is minus b minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. Solve x square plus 8x minus 20 equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 8 and c equal to minus 20. So if we put in the formula, it becomes x equal to minus 8 plus minus 12 by 2. So alpha is, if you take plus minus 8 plus 12 by 2, that is 4 by 2, and beta is minus 8 minus 12 by 2 minus 20 by 2 equal to minus 10. So the solution or root of the given equation is 2 and minus 10. What is discriminant of a quadratic equation? For a quadratic equation, x square plus bx plus c, the term b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. So if d is greater than 0, then there are real roots and the roots are different. If d equal to 0, then there will be only single roots and the root will be real. If d is less than 0, there will be no root. On other words, there will be imaginary roots. Relation between two roots of a quadratic equation. So, alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Alpha into beta is c by a. If roots are given, the equation can be found out. If roots are alpha and beta, equation will be x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha minus beta equal to 0. Few problems. The sequence of a number minus twice the number is 63. Find the number. Let the number is x, then x square minus 2x equal to 63. Take factorization of 63 will be, so you can write this equation x plus 7 into x minus 9 equal to 0, and that answer would be either x equal to minus 7 or x equal to 9. There is a rectangle whose length is 5 feet more than the width. So an area is given 176. So if you solve this quadratic equation, you will see the answer would be either 11 or minus 16. Minus 16 is not acceptable, so the width will be 11 and length will be 16. Answer. Thank you.